Hey there, hair enthusiasts! If you've noticed your hair thinning and are freaking out a bit, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down the top 3 reasons your hair might be falling out and what you can do about it. First up, stress. Yep, that annoying thing we all deal with. Stress can actually push your hair follicles into a resting phase, causing more hair to fall out than usual. Try to find ways to manage your stress, maybe through yoga, meditation, or just taking a break when you need it. Next on the list, diet. What you eat plays a huge role in your hair health. Lack of essential nutrients like iron, vitamin D, and protein can lead to weaker hair and more shedding. Make sure you're eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, veggies, and lean proteins to keep your hair strong and healthy. And finally, let's talk about hair care routines. Overstyling, excessive use of heat tools, and harsh chemical treatments can really damage your hair. Give your hair a break. Try to limit heat styling, use protective products, and embrace your natural hair texture more often. So, there you have it. Stress, diet, and hair care routines are 3 big reasons your hair might be thinning. Take care of yourself inside and out, and you'll see those luscious locks start to thrive again. Remember, your hair reflects your overall health, so treat it well. Got any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more hair care tips. Until next time, keep loving your hair.